Morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, May 19th. This is your lesson for Tuesday and Thursday in one video. You can do it all at once. I will post lesson 38 as one classwork assignment, but it'll count as 2 grades. Okay? We don't have homework for today, so let's get started. This lesson is on arithmetic and geometric sequences. All right, so a sequence is a list of numbers that follows a pattern. The general form of a sequence is represented by A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, and so on and so forth. Arithmetic sequences are sequences with terms that share a common difference. There's a formula to help you find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, and that explicit formula is A of n, which is the nth term, A of 1, which is the first term, n, which is the term that they're looking for, and d is your common difference. All right, so let's get started. So write the explicit formula for each arithmetic sequence, then find the 20th term. All right, so you have your nth term, 20th term, and your first term, which is 5, plus the term they're looking for, which is 20. And the common difference here is minus 3, because to get from 5 to 2, you have to subtract 3. To get from 2 to negative 1, you subtract 3. To get from negative 1 to negative 4, you subtract 3. Now, something that we mentioned before, that there's a pattern in every list of numbers for arithmetic sequences. That pattern you're normally adding or subtracting. Okay? That's for arithmetic sequences. All right. So my common difference here is going to be a minus 3. All right, now let's see what that looks like. So 20 minus 1 is 19. All right, and 19 times negative 3, I don't know that off the top of my head. So let's take out our calculator, which I'm pulling up now. $19 times negative 3 is negative 57. All right, and then negative 57, gonna add 5, and that gives me negative 52. So the 20th term is negative 52. All right, so we have part B, where I want you, let me see something really quick, hold on. Okay, yeah, so this part B is your U try. Okay, you're gonna do part B in your own same way I did part A. Okay, figure out how they got from 70, 77, 77, 84, 84 to 91. That's gonna be your common difference. The number they're looking for is still 20, so 20 goes there, 20 goes there. The first number here is 70, it's not 5. Right, it's the only difference. So I want you to try that one on your own. So now I'm going to move on to something that we call geometric sequence. All right, in a geometric sequence, the ratio of any term to the previous term is constant. All right, ratio also describes division. Okay, the sequences have a common ratio. To determine the common ratio, you must divide the second term by the first term. Okay, so the formula for these sequences is A of n, which is your nth term, A of 1, which is your first term, and R, which is your common ratio. I notice the variable n is in the exponent spot of these functions, which means they are exponential functions. Okay, moving on. Oh, sorry. Something just flip-flopped. Okay. So given each formula for a geometric sequence, identify the common ratio and find the given term. Identify the common ratio and find the given term. Okay, so the given term is this number here. They want us to find the 12th term. Okay, so I'm going to replace that n with a 12 because we're finding the 12th term. And then the common ratio, let's look back at our formula. The ratio is here, right? Was being raised to the n minus 1 power, but it's also being multiplied by the first term, right? So the first term is 4, and the ratio is -2. So remember what our notes said. To determine the common ratio, you must divide the second term by the first term. Okay, identify. So we identify the common ratio. Now we're going to find the given term. 4 times 4 times -2, and then 12 minus 1 as the exponent. So now let's continue. Comes 11, -2 raised to the 11th power times 4. Okay, -8192. This is our 12th term, okay? And B is going to be a U try. Okay, B is going to be a U try. Same way I did part A, same way you're going to do part B. You're looking for the 10th term, so you replace the n's with 10, all right, and then you solve the way you normally would, okay? Now, this is part 1 of lesson 38, me teaching you how to do these sequences, all right? Part 2, day 2, which will be Thursday of lesson 38, is just you practicing. All right, so day 2, practice makes perfect. I gave you example 1, which is here. It's a multiple choice question. Okay, pretty simple. Example 2 is also a multiple choice question, but you also have to explain your answer in words. Okay, so multiple choice and explain your answer in words why you chose it. Question 3, which is you working out the work same way we just did with our 2 previous examples. And then question 4, all right, you working out the work for that. All right, I will tell you examples 3 and 4, obviously it says it right there. Let me move this over so you can see. All right, examples 3 and 4, geometric sequence. Okay, examples 1 and 2 are mainly about arithmetic sequence. That's example 2. That's example 1. Notice the word common difference. That has to do with arithmetic sequences. All right. So there are a total of 6 questions that you have to answer for this lesson. But the reason there's so many questions is because this is a 2-day lesson. But I'm putting it in all as one so that it can be done on Tuesday and then you're kind of free for the rest of the week, unless you want to split it up. It's up to you. Okay. So enjoy. If you have any questions, I will be on Google Meet today at 3:30 p.m. and on Thursday at 3:30 p.m. Right? Google Meet video chat every Tuesday, every Thursday, 3:30 p.m. All right. Again, you have no homework for this Tuesday lesson. And again, these 4 questions are for Thursday. I'm just putting it all in one video because I'm not going over anything. It's just for you to answer these questions. Okay? And don't forget, this is a you try, and this is a you try. All right, awesome.